Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? Hope you guys are fine by God's grace. So today's video I'll be showing you how to use flaxseed gel, olive oil, hair mayonnaise, and the rest of the ingredients. So what I'm adding that you're seeing now is flaxseed. I added honey. Now I'm going to be adding olive oil. Guy, please excuse my voice, I have cough and it's so bad. I don't know what to do, so I'll tell you I'm licking honey. So I added mayonnaise. So if you know, you guys already know that mayonnaise is amazing to lock in moisture to our hair and to our shine as well. So I'm going to be adding that. So the second one is avocado mayonnaise. If you don't have this, you can just pass. If you have it, you can use it as well, or you can use the normal avocado. But if you don't have, just pass. So I know you have mayonnaise at home, just add mayonnaise and pass the avocado mayonnaise. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing everything together as you can see me doing right now. It's very simple to make. You guys already know how to make flaxseed gel. I have the video on my channel, tons of video on my channel for you to see. So that's why I didn't even bother to show you guys the process of how I make this flaxseed gel, so that the video will not be too long. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing. Guys, please excuse my voice, I have cough. I'm saying it for the second time now, please. So I'm going to be on mix everything. As you can see, everything I've already mixed together. The consistency is amazing. This is just the consistency I want. I don't want it to be too runny, so that it will not be running down my hair. I don't like it when I use the DIY and the product will just be running all over my body. I don't really like it. So this consistency is perfect. So if you want to get this consistency, make sure your flaxseed is stink. It's not watery, it's stink. So you can, when your flaxseed is stink, you can get this perfect consistency. Okay, so now we have our Prepoo treatment. Let's go and apply it to my hair. So guys, this is my hair. As you can see, my hair is here. I really like abandoned my hair for some time. You know, what it is what it is. So I just took that the braid that I made. So now it's time for me to apply this goodness to my hair. But first of all, I'm going to be using water. You need water, okay? Don't forget to use water. You need hot water, warm water. I'm using warm water because the weather is cold, so that's why. So I'm just going to apply water to that part of my hair, as you can see me doing right now. It's not really that much, it's just a little bit, so to damp the hair so that the product can really work on my hair very well, as you can see. So after applying the water, now I'm going to work the water into my hair. My hair is really dirty and it needs to be washed. So after that, it's time for me to apply my DIY mayonnaise, flaxseed gel, honey, olive oil, and my avocado mayonnaise for my hair. Prepoo, guys, this is going to serve as a Prepoo treatment. You guys already see the title and the thumbnail. So I'm going to be using that for my Prepoo treatment, and you can also use it for a deep conditioner, guys. Yeah, it's not bad at all. After washing your hair, you can also use this as a deep conditioner for your hair. Let me bust your bubble. You can also use this to style your hair. Yeah, you can use it as a styler, like a gel to style a wash and go, a twist out, a braid out, and it's going to come out perfectly well. So just choose anyone that you want to use it for. If it's so perfectly okay for your hair, it's amazing when it comes to our hair, guys. Like Flaxseed is super good if you want to keep your hair moisturized, you want to define your coils, you want to moisturize your hair, like olive oil. Like all the ingredients here is just to moisturize and give a chance for your hair to grow faster and stronger. Okay, if your hair is not moisturized, it means your hair is going to be breaking. No, there's no two ways about it. Your hair is going to be breaking. If you have struggle with dry brittle hair and you want to boost your moisture, just use this DIY treatment for your hair and you are going to like it. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for your love. I can see you guys are still here for me, with me. Together we stand. So continue to support my channel, continue to watch my video and subscribe if you are here for the first time. Follow my YouTube and Facebook page, my TikTok. I'll leave the link at the comment section below because I do a lot of things on that TikTok and also on my Facebook. But this channel here, YouTube, I only posted my hair video here. So my Facebook, I post other things like baking soda, like other things that is also to relax yourself and all that. So I'm going to try to post one baking soda video on my YouTube to see if you guys will like it. So yeah, so I'm just going to continue to apply the product to my hair, all over my hair, to make it really like soak the product to my hair, to break down the tangle, to break down the dryness and everything. Then I will grab my comb, then I will detangle my hair. Be careful while you are detangling your hair. So if you are here for the first time on my Facebook, please don't forget to follow, click that follow button. We have to reach 5k follower before December. Please guys, let's do this. Share my video, okay? If you have any question about hair growth, just leave it at the comment section below. If you want to grow your hair, the product you will use, any type of hair issue that you have, just leave it at the comment section below. We'll solve it together, okay? Two heads is better than one. Okay, bring your hair, let me bring my hair so that we can jam it together and bring something out of it. So now I'm just, after detangling my hair, I'm going to just twist it like this. Just loose twist, guys, don't do tight twist because you are still going to take it down and wash it. So I just went off camera to detangle the other part of my hair. So this is, here we are now. My hair is looking like this. So I still have a little left. I'm going to add that to my deep conditioner. So this one is done. We are done here. I'm going to allow it to sit on my hair for 30 to 45 minutes, even 1 hour self, depends on your time. Okay, the longer the better. So you let it sit. Then you wash your hair with any kind of shampoo that you have in your house. Me, I'm using the Garnier. You guys know that me and Garnier, we come here, we are here together. We go nowhere. So I'm using the Garnier conditioner, shampoo to shampoo my hair. Then I will use the Garnier deep conditioner to deep condition my hair. Okay, thank you so much for your love and support. I really do appreciate you all, and then I will see you all on my next video. So now it's time for me to cover my hair. If you have any type of heat that you can use to support this process, go ahead and use it. It's going to boost the benefit. Thank you and bye.